communities across the United States, it is clear that our system of policing is not keeping our communities safe. Our efforts at incremental reform have failed. Our commitment is to end our city's toxic relationship with the Minneapolis Police Department, to end policing as we know it, and to recreate systems of public safety that actually keep us safe.
Even the loudest police fans in my ward who have been vocally against the work that I've been doing, even they are saying, this is clearly broken. We have a model called the public health approach to public safety. What that does is it looks at violence from an epidemiological perspective, that it is a disease that spreads interpersonally and intergenerationally. So therefore, it can be prevented and treated. Even here in Minneapolis, we as a city council have operationalized strategies that are working. We have seen a precipitous drop of gang involvement because folks are being offered a off-ramp from that life by community members. The reality is that folks have been doing this work for decades but not getting paid for it. And now is the time for us as a city to start paying the community members who have been doing this work for decades and need to get paid. All that money has been going into the police department, and what have we gotten in return? Pain, trauma, and hurt.
The police budget in Minneapolis is almost $200 million. We approved last year a budget of $1.6 billion. They take up a huge chunk. I had to fight relentlessly to get $50,000 for a domestic violence intervention program strategy for us to implement, despite the fact that in Minneapolis, the #1 reason for 911 initiated police calls for service is because of domestic assault. We are not successfully getting to the roots of these issues. We know that the system of policing is rooted, it's founded on and rooted in white supremacy, in a history of slave catching. And so as we're trying to do this work of reforming police culture and the institution of policing overall, we have to get serious about investing in new alternative systems of public safety that are rooted in justice and our community.
All right, be quiet, y'all. Be quiet, because it's important that we actually hear this. Yes. It's important that we hear this, because if y'all don't know, he's up for re-election next year.
Let's hear it so we can hold him accountable.
That's right. And if he says no, guess what the f*** we gonna do next year?
Louder, one more time. Louder?
Big crowd.
Yeah.
I do not support full abolition.
All right. Get the f*** out of here.
It is time for us to get behind community and to get behind the strategies that we know work. And you have a majority of the city council here today ready to back that up. Thank you, everybody.